Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lani, and today we are going to Sunset Gardens here in West El Paso. Sunset Garden is located on Lindbergh and Donovan on the west side of El Paso, and it is looking good out there. My car is facing the garden itself, and guys, it is looking good. So I'm kind of excited. This is going to be the first actual nursery that I am going to for spring, and this is the first week of March, so I'm super excited. Everything is starting to bloom. It smells so good out. I'm currently filming in my car because it is a little breezy, and I don't want it to skew this video up too bad. But my goal today is hopefully to find some plants, and specifically yellow ladybanks roses. I'm really looking to get that so I could put it in my box turtle habitat. So wish me luck, and here we go. All right, guys, I did it. So I was able to find a white and a yellow Lady Banks rose. So super excited about that. Like I said, I'm gonna put one of them. I was thinking the yellow one in my box turtle habitat, and now that I found a white one, I'm thinking it'll just be on the other side of it. How pretty would that contrast be with the yellow and the white going across my wrought iron fence? I think that's gonna look really, really nice. So that leads me to now have to pretty much retransplant certain plants that I already have in that spot, dig them out, transplant them somewhere else so I can make room for these. But I think this is gonna look really, really nice. Super excited about that. They have so much going on right here, guys. Ooh, this is pretty. Alright guys, so I think this is going to be the end of the video. It was pretty quick and short. I've got here, I saw the plants, very beautiful. I think they're going to have more stuff out in the next 2 weeks from what the gentleman up front said. But I was able to find my yellow and now a white Lady Banks rose, so I'm going to go ahead and take that home and start the planting. Don't mind these. These are just some quick pickups from Lowe's. Okay, so I have a little dilemma. I can't get my plants in my car. Well, at the moment. I mean, I just purchased them, so I'm definitely gonna fit them in my car some way or another. But between the wind, the sun, and the plants I already have in the car, this is gonna be a little tough. But I just wanted to show you what my little challenge is, and I'm willing to accept it. Okay, I'm back. So I was able to get it into my car. Very tight. It's mostly the post. It's like hitting the top of my car. But I think it'll be okay. Oh, look how pretty it looks back here. All right, guys, that's a wrap. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Again, I went to Sunset Gardens here, West El Paso on Lindbergh and Donovan. So if you're looking for some yellow or white Lady Bangs roses, they definitely have them. I think they only have like, don't quote me, but I think they have like maybe 6 or 7 left. Definitely call them if you're interested in getting those. What else? I probably won't be planting any of this until next week, just because I am a working mom, a working wifey, so I get pretty busy during the week, and I usually use the weekend to plant shop, do anything garden related. So bear with me if these videos come out a little bit later, but chances are I'm always recording like a week in advance for the following week, if that makes sense. So anyways, thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you again next time. Bye.